Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have November's collab with STYLEVANA. Do you want to know what products are in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received November's products. STYLEVANA does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me all your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So again, this is for November's collab. I'm so excited to dive in and see what's going to be inside. And let's go ahead and just start seeing what's in here. The first thing that I'm going to be pulling out, it says that it's by Scenic. And it's the simple, oh, it's toning pads. Okay, cool. I like to have several different types of toners, the spray, the regular one, and the pads, just because whatever I feel like using, I can. So that's cool that there are some toning pads, because again, I do enjoy those. So when you do open it up, there's some little tongy tongs on the top to pull out your pads. And then this is what the product looks like. It says the simple formula containing only essential ingredients soothes sensitive skin and makes skin healthy. How to use. After washing face, take out a pad and gently wipe the entire face along the skin texture while avoiding the eye area. Lightly tap to allow the remaining toner to absorb. Very, very simple. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. So when you open it up, there's the, and I bet you it's going to be like that one that you take this off first. Yes. One time I was trying to get that off and I was like, how in the world? Yeah, you need to take the top off all the way. All right, so down inside, that is what they look like. And they are very, very thin, normal toning pads. So that is nice. I'm excited to use those. Again, I just love any type of toners. Put the lid back on it, stick your little tongs right on top. Close her up. So there's item number one. Now we have, it says Black Tea Mask Pack. Skin firming and relaxing care. Black Tea Wash Off Mask Pack. There's that guy. And this one here says, gently apply the product all over your dry face except your eye area after cleansing. Then wash it off with lukewarm water after 5 to 10 minutes. And when you open her up, it's a nice like thick plastic bottle. It does have a little seal right there. It does have a little scooper outer. And then when you remove the actual lid, ew, it smells kind of good. It looks chunky, like looks like yogurt or something. But it's a mask to put on your face, and then after, if it was a 15 to 20 minutes, wash it off like a normal face mask. So there's that item. You guys know I definitely like the ones you don't wash off, but I do use them to test them out, at least when I am doing this. Now we have is hand cream set by My Orchard. Ooh, this is, okay, no. It's My Orchard, and there's the brand right there. We actually got one of these in the advent calendar with a few little samples of other products to try, and I'm super, super loving this brand. And there's a few products of the little samples that was in that one that I want to get. Like, I definitely want to get those moisturizers and the serum. I'm super excited to get that. But here's a whole set, and it's a hand cream set. Super exciting to get all of these. And you know, I'm a scent hoe. I'm like, just scents, anything with like fruits. Oh my goodness, give me some more. So this is My Orchard Shea Butter Hand Cream. And I think this might be the one that came in that advent calendar. Ooh, we have banana. I love me some banana. Raspberry hand cream. This one here says cherry hand cream. Now I don't like eating cherry, but I love the scent of cherry. And here is peach, another favorite. And then this one is a cactus hand cream. So you have 6 different ones, all different amazing fruit scented flavors pretty much. And yeah, so that's awesome that you have this whole little set here. So now we have a face sheet mask. It says Real Barrier Aqua Soothing Ampoule Mask. And I love me some sheet masks. I love actually sticking these in the refrigerator because then they're so nice and cold when you put them on your skin. Leave them on 15 to 20 minutes. Pull that bad boy off, tap in any essence that's still left on your face, and you're good to go. I like this because, like I said, it just put it on and then you go on with your day. I love me some sheet masks. So now we have is the Pure Lotus, and this is an oil serum. And this one here says, at the next step after washing face, take a suitable amount of serum and softly spread it along your skin's texture and let it absorb. Shake well before using. Ooh, okay. Okay, so that's why you have to shake it. You see the different layers? So this is like an oily layer that's in there. So you can see like the yellow versus the white. See that? So you have to shake that up first, get everything all mixed together, and then use it on your face. And it says it's a leaf oil serum. That's interesting. But don't forget to shake. Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, so now we have is the Simple Daily Lotion Scenic. So this is the same brand as this one right here. And this is a daily lotion. Essential recipe, pH 5.5. And let's see here. How to use. Take an appropriate amount and gently apply to the entire face. Very, very simple. It's vegan. Let's see what it looks like inside. So that's what it looks like down inside. And again, it has the pH 5.5 Essential Recipes Daily Lotion. So you have that. It's vegan, all the good stuff, that kind of thing. So there's an amazing lotion. Can't wait to test that. Now we have is AHC Youth Lasting Real Eye Cream for Face. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. So you can, it's a eye cream, but you can use it for your entire face. I always use it to like right here and go up underneath my eyes, that kind of thing. But you can actually use it for your entire face, it says. It says it's a 30 ml, and that's all that I can read on the box. Let's get it out. Ooh, very pretty packaging. You know, I love that turquoise and like that ombre look. That is super, super cute. And I like that it looks like it can it sit on its own? Let's see. Yeah, it technically can sit on its own too. I'll say it looks like that's cool that you can just set it upright. So you have the eye cream for your face. Now we have, and I do like this brand. I really, really like that large serum bottle that we got. I think that came from the advent calendar too. This says Madagascar Centella Toning Toner. And you know, I love me some toners. I use them every single day. So I love getting a toner. And this is one that if you wanted to try one out, you can try this. And if you like it, you can get the full size one. But I do enjoy this brand and I love me some toners. So I'm super excited to use that after cleansing. Use your toner and then go with your normal skincare routine that you would like. I love me some toners. I love skincare. Okay, so now we have, it says Enjoy Super Active Airy Sun Stick. 50 plus PA plus 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 plus, and this is the same brand as this one, the Scenic. And so you have a little stick. It looks kind of like a deodorant style packaging, but it's a sunscreen. And you guys, I always tell you, I definitely use sunscreens. I have to protect my skin. It's very, very important to me. So I love that we have so many different options when it comes to sunscreens. So that's really nice as a roller and just roll it around when you need it. And then you don't have all that lotiony or like the white like effect going on from lotions. You have a stick. That is really neat. And it does say Beauty Award winner for 2020 for this brand. Right there in the little teardrop shape. So that's awesome. Ooh, and I like this brand. And it says it's a capsule mask. Okay, let's see, what are you? Okay, so you pull it out and there's all these little capsules in there. So is there instructions on here? It has a list of all of the ingredients, but I'm not quite sure how to use it because there's nothing in English. So I'm going to have to go to their website. It sounds like it's wet in there. So I wonder if this is like a real, like, you know, a mask to put on, but then I wonder if you have to rinse it or not. So I'll have to look on their website and see how to use this. That's one good thing, that if you get a product and you're not quite sure how to use it exactly, their website, when you go to the product, you can hit the description and it'll tell you like how to use and more information about each product. So I do enjoy that. So I will definitely go to their website and figure out how to use this mask. But that's really neat that you have so many of them in there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 little capsules and it says it's a capsule mask. So I'm really intrigued now. I want to find out how to use this and I'm definitely excited to now test it out. But that is so cute, a packaging already. So there's that guy. Now we have is a green tea fresh cleaner, and I love using green tea, especially if it's around my hormonal like monthly situation, because that's when I break out. Green tea does help my face like clear it up when I have breakouts, or if I have like, you know, if I'm in the sun too much. I love using calming or green tea products. It says a cleanser containing juju green tea extract gently refreshes and cleanses the skin while removing excess oil, and it's 120 ml. How to use: apply a proper amount of cleanser to the wet face and massage gently in circular motions. Rinse with lukewarm water. So my normal routine, if you don't already know, because I do explain this, I use a cleansing balm first to get off all of this. This is normally where all my makeup is. I don't really have anywhere else. I use a cleansing balm to roll around on my eyes and get through to break up my mascara. And then in the shower, I use an actual cleanser. And then I get out, tone, and then use a serum or moisturizer or whatever tickles my fancy that night, what I feel like putting on my face. But this is what it looks like down inside. And I'm super excited to test out this fresh cleanser, because again, I use cleansers every single day. So I love getting products that I use on a daily basis, which is cleansing balms, cleansers, toners, and skincare. I love it all. Okay, so this one says it's a peptide water balm. Ooh, and I love me a water balm, water moisturizers, that kind of thing, because it's just so much intense like moisturizer. I wake up with this really nice, clean, fresh, soft feeling skin, and I love that. So down inside of this product, this is what it looks like. It says it's fast absorbing, non-greasy cream, having full moisture and suitable for skin types which tend to dry easily but tend to be oily. So it sounds like it can go for any type of skin. And it says how to use: apply it gently to the face and neck to be absorbed. All right, so that's all. Just put it on your face and your neck, let it soak in, and do its thing. Simple and easy. Okay, so a few more products in here. This one's heavy. It must be a glass bottle. And it is a vegan Kombucha Tea Essence. It's 150 ml. But it feels like it's going to be at least a glass bottle because this thing is heavy. Ooh, oh, whoa. That looked like an iced coffee. Look at that. Wait, hold up. Now I want some coffee. Wait, now I want some coffee. You saw that, right? It was like a dark brown for a minute. What in the world? Tea Essence. That reminds me of coffee. I'm just trying to smell it with the lid on. Tracy. I'm like hoping it was going to be like coffee, but no, it's just like a whitish, creamy liquid. A vegan cream essence formulated with kombucha extract, a fermented black tea. Okay, so black tea, that's why it has that dark kind of like coffee effect looking like it was in there. And it says that the fermented black tea releasing impurities and providing hydration. Instructions: shake well before use, apply over cleansed face, and gently pat to be absorbed. So yeah, it sounds just like a toner, but it has like that black tea in there. So shake it up and it'll look like your coffee latte. Well, it did for me anyway. All right, so the last item in here, you guys, this here is I think I've gotten this one before and I wasn't sure what it was. It's an Ampoule, 97%. It says that it's fermented, rich in vitamins, protein, and lactose, and provides moisture and nourishment for skin. How to use: apply a moderate amount evenly over face. So yeah, I think this is kind of like a toner as well, like an essence kind of thing. Yes, I have received this one. So there's that. I do have a little left in my bottle, but I did receive this from them, so that's cool. I get another one of these because mine's almost gone. But yeah, it's an essence. I use it like a toner. So there's that guy. So that is all of my products for November's collab. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything that they sent for me to test out this month. There's only one product that I have used before, and I think everything else is like very new, and I'm super, super excited to test them out. I love everything that they send. They have everything that you can imagine, K-Beauty and J-Beauty. If you'd like to check them out, you can use my code INF10, SheCrafty. And what they did, they stepped up that code, you guys. Normally, I think you had to spend like $59 in the cart accumulated to get 15% off with that discount, but they dropped it down to 30 something for the holidays. So if there is anything that you did want to check out, it's like 35 and over now will bring my 10% coupon to a 15% off coupon. So again, just for the holidays, they're lowering that amount to bump that to the 15% to help you guys out for the holidays. So I will link them down below. You can check out anything and everything. You can search by category, you can search by brand, you can search just their new, what's trending, what's hip. Like, you can just be on there for a very long time looking at everything that they do have. So again, they will all be linked down below. You guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products that they sent this month? What do you think of STYLEVANA? What do you think of the products that they have in general? I love them. You guys know that. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.